Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is second part of Cambridge IGCSE specimen paper for specimen paper B for examinations 2025. These are the new papers that you should practice, and you must practice all these to take the experience of new papers that will be asked this year 2025. So let's start with question number 14. We have this question from circles here. We are given Q and T are points on the circle. You see, this is Q and T on the circle. Q, T, R, S is a straight line. This is a straight line here. ST is tangent. ST is here. ST is a tangent. QR, S, these are angles. Sides marked equal here with these bars, small bars, and angle RST is 42. Find angle RTS. So RTS is this angle actually. Basically, we are looking for. So if you see this triangle here, RTS, in triangle RTS, these two sides, this side and this side, they are equal, right? So that means angle opposite will also be equal. So this angle is also going to be 42. So angle RTS is going to be 42 degree, right? Show that angle QRT is 84. QRT, this angle we are talking about. So we need to show this is 84. So again, we can use the concept of the equal sides. This is equal side, so angles opposite will also be equal. This is x, this is going to be x again. So now here in this triangle, if I see this triangle, let me just change the color here. Which one would be better? So if you see this angle, we can find out this angle here. So this is 42 plus 42, which is 84, right? 84. So this is 84 are the sum of, and the sum of all these angles of a triangle is 180. 180 minus 84, it is 96. So this angle is 96. Once we got this angle, now this QRT RS is a straight line. We are given QRS is a straight line here. So that means this sum of these two angles is 180. So 180 minus 96, it is again 84. So this angle is going to be 84. Now we have this angle. Now we can find out the value of x. So sum of these angles is going to be x plus x plus x plus 84 but we are making it 84. Oh, okay, we have already done that, sorry. This is, let me arrange this one, how to write it down. So we can write it down here, the one that we did here in the diagram. So as we have taken this angle 42 plus 42, this is 2 marks question, you must have to write down something here. So this triangle was here, and then angle in triangle RST, we had 42 plus 42 plus angle, this angle SRT, this angle SRT is equal to 180 degrees, right? So this is 84 plus angle SRT is 180, right? So angle SRT is going to be 96. Okay, so once we got this, then we have 96 plus angle QRT is 180. We are looking for angle QRT actually, because they are on the straight line here. This is a straight line, so this is angle on straight line. So that's why it's 180. So angle QRT then is 180 minus 96, which is 84 degrees. So hence proved. You can write down hence proved. That's what we need to show here, right? Now explain why the line QT is a diameter of the circle. You must show all your working and give your geometrical reasoning. So you see this is 3 marks question, so you have to write down everything. So as you see there in triangle, this one QRT, x plus 84, let me write it down. In triangle QRT, we have x plus 84 is equal to 180. So from here we get x as 48 degree, right. So you just take this 2x, from here is 2x equals to 180 minus 84. So x is going to be 96 over 2, which is 48, right. So now after that you can write down that angle Q plus S is 90. So 48, angle Q plus angle S, this angle, let me show you by another color. So angle Q plus angle S, this angle Q plus this angle S. So Q is x, we got just now, x is 42, x is 48 plus 42, and if you add they become 90. So when they are 90, so that means therefore ST is a straight line. So it is a straight line. So therefore QT passes through center. So therefore Q3 passes through center, therefore Q2 is a diameter, right. So that's how you can do this question. Now number 15, calculate the exterior angle of a regular hexagon. Exterior angle of a regular hexagon. So as we know that the formula of exterior angle is 360 over number of sides. So 360 over hexagon has 6 sides, right. So hexagon is a polygon having 6 sides, so divided by 6. So this is 60, so it is 60, right. Now part B, this looks bit complicated, but don't worry, let's figure it out. The diagram shows part of a regular hexagon and part of a regular polygon. This is hexagon, this is polygon, hexagon, polygon. The regular hexagon and polygon are joined by a common side. So they are joined here on this side here. Calculate the number of sides of the regular polygon. So we are looking for the number of sides of this polygon, right. So as we have to start with the known things actually. So interior angle of a polygon, you know that interior angle of polygon is n minus 2 times 180 over n, the number of sides, right. So so this one is interior angle, we can find out from here. So this total is 360, right. So 360 minus 100, this angle is given to us 100, and regular hexagon angle is going to be 120, 6 sides there. So plus 120, so this is 360 minus 220, and we got it 140 degrees, right. So this sum of interior angles, sum of the interior angles, this is going to be one angle we got here 140, right. So sum of this is going to be 140 n. So interior angle I have got it here 140. So n we don't know, and 180 over n. So this n I am going to multiply over here. So this is 140 n equals to 180 n minus 80 times to 360, right. Now bringing 360 this side, and 180 n minus 140 n. So this is 360 equals to this is 40 n. So divide by 40, divide by 40. So this is gone, 4 times 9. So we got n as 9. So final answer is 9, right? Now number 16, negative x less than 4, negative 4 less than x and x is less than, there are two parts, right? So negative 4 is less than x and then x is less than or equals to 1. So here is x greater than negative 4, right? So that means 0, 1 and then here is negative 4. So x greater than negative 4, this is a hollow circle here, less than or equals to 4, this is going to be a shaded circle. So all the values in between are going to be the answer of this. So what are the value from here is going to be negative 3, negative 2, negative 1 and 1. So we will have negative 3 because 4 is not included, we are not taking 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0 and 1, right? Now solve 4b minus 7 equals to 24. So there are two ways, either you expand the bracket first or you just divide by 4 on both sides. So I am dividing here both sides by 4, right? So 4 and 4 is gone, b minus 7 equals to 6. So b is equal to 6 plus 3, it is 13. So b is 13, right? Now number 18, a pyramid has a rectangular base. The base has length of 4.5 centimeters and width 2.5. The height of the pyramid is 7. Calculate the volume of the pyramid. So as you know that the volume of the pyramid is 1 by 3 the base area times height, right? So base area times height. So this formula also so this formula is actually given on the first page of your formula. So base, what is base is? Base is rectangular, it says rectangular base. So the base area is going to be 1 over 3. Area of rectangle is length times width, which is 4.5 times 2.5, this is given to us, and height of the pyramid is 7. So just plug in the values directly and we get here 26.25, right? Number 19, in June the fuel for bus costs 0.32 per kilometer. In June the bus travels 1800 kilometer. Calculate the total cost. So it's very simple, 0.32 times 1800. So it comes out to be 576. Sometime you know the number of marks tells you the complexity of the question. So there is no much efforts here, just 1 mark question. Now part B, this is 4 mark question, so it will have some calculations. In July the fuel for bus costs 7.5 more per kilometer than cost in June. In July the bus travels 1850 kilometer. Calculate the difference between the cost of the fuel between June and July. So we are comparing June and July. So let's start with June. Cost in June. Cost in June is 0.32 kilometer per hour. Here you see in June the cost is 0.32 kilometer per hour per kilometer, right? So in July, what is the cost in July? We are given in July, here in July the fuel is cost is 7.5 more than, it is 7.5 more than the cost of the than in June, right? So let's first we will find out the cost in July. 7.5% of 0.32, this is 0.024, right? So cost in July is 0.32 was before and this is the more, so plus 0.024, so this is 0.344 now dollars, right? So this is the cost in July and this is like per kilometer and we are looking for so cost for how much was that? This is 1850 kilometers here. So cost for dollar, cost for 1800 kilometers, 850 kilometers is going to be 0.344 is for 1 kilometer times 1850. So this comes out to be $636.40, and we are looking for the difference. The question is find the difference of the cost. So we have 340 and what was there, it was 576 in June. So minus 576. So this is 60.40, the difference in the prices in June and July, right? Number 20, the equation of the line L is y equals to 2x. Find the equation of the line parallel to L that passes through 5 point. Give your answer as y equals to mx plus c. As you know that the equation of line is 2x plus c. C is 0 here if you are not given c. So it passes through. So it passes through, as they are parallel, so just only the y-intercept is going to be different, and the gradient is going to be same. So it passes through 1 and 5. So this is the 5, 2 into 1 plus c. So c from here is 5 minus 2, which is 3. So equation of the line is going to be y equals to 2x plus 3, because the gradient is same. So m is going to be 2. The grid shows the line AB. Find the gradient of AB. So you can choose any point from A to B. So as you see, this line is going downward, so gradient is going to be negative. So gradient is going to be minus change in y over change in x. So I am just choosing this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So y change is 3 and 4. Make sure that you put negative sign there because line is going down, right? Now number 21, the diagram shows a sector of the circle with radius 7 centimeter and sector angle 120. Calculate the perimeter. Now the common mistake in these kind of questions, students, they don't remember to write these sides. So we have to add this one, which is 7, and this one, which is also 7, and the length of arc. So this is the perimeter. So first of all, we will find out length of arc. Let's say length of arc, I am writing this name as AB. Length of arc AB, we have the formula theta over 360 into 2 pi r, right? So this is 120 over 360 times 2 pi, and r is 7 here. So when you calculate, this is 14.66 and approximately to 3 significant figure 14.7 centimeters, right? So the perimeter, now we are going to have the perimeter of the shape, perimeter of the sector I mean. So this is going to be 14.7, which is the length, and plus 7 and plus 7, length of arc and plus the 2 radii. So this is 28.7. 28.7 centimeters, right? So now number 22, I guess this is the last question. Yeah, this is the last question of the last page actually of the question. There are 2 questions on this page. The diagram shows a rectangle. Here is the rectangle. Calculate the value of the w. So w, we can easily use Pythagoras theorem in this. So let's say this is a, b, c, d. By Pythagoras theorem, I will have AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared, right? AC is 25 squared, AB is 19 squared, and BC is W squared. So W squared is square root of 25 squared minus 19. As this is calculator paper, you can easily use calculator here. 16.25. So 16.25 is the answer, right? Centimeter is not required to write because it's already written. He's just asking us the value of W, right? So I would request you guys to again to kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and also comment on the video whatever you feel about this. So let's do this final question here. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. Calculate the value of x. So it's easy. We can use SOHCAHTOA here. You know that what is SOHCAHTOA, right? So this is the angle here. So this is angle, then this is going to be the adjacent side, and the opposite side is this one here, and this is going to be hypotenuse, right? We are looking for the x, so we can use tangent. So tangent of 54 is equal to opposite. Opposite is 7.6. Adjacent is x, right? So from here x is going to be 7.6 over, just swap x and tan, 54. So this is 5.52, right? So I will write down here 5.52. So that's it guys, I hope you got everything. Kindly subscribe, share, and write the comments in comment section, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed guys.